Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location so devices can discover one another. Once done, sign into the same Google account or have accounts ready for sharing. This simplifies permissions. Next, choose your link method: Nearby Share for files and links, Bluetooth for small items, or a Wi-Fi hotspot for high-speed transfers, and open the corresponding app or settings. Make sure both screens remain unlocked and visible to accept prompts. This prevents timeouts and pairing failures during the initial discovery step. Once you select Nearby Share or initiate Bluetooth pairing, your phone will scan and show nearby device names. Tap the correct receiver. On the other phone, accept the incoming connection or pairing request and verify any shown PIN or code to secure the link. If you're using a hotspot, connect the receiver to the sender's Wi-Fi network, then use File Apps or FTP to exchange data. Make sure you grant requested permissions for contacts, files, or location so transfers proceed without interruptions. You finish by confirming all files, photos, or links arrived intact and opening a few items to test integrity. After transfers complete, disconnect Bluetooth or turn off the hotspot to preserve battery and security. If something fails, try simple fixes. Toggle Bluetooth/Wi-Fi, reboot both phones, and reattempt pairing. These steps clear stale caches and resolve most discovery issues. If problems persist, check for software updates or reset network settings. But try repairing first, since that resolves the majority of connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.